when we do the Edmentum stuff, do we have to do everything, or can we just do the mastery test, or do we have to do all of like the stuff that's before
You,
it
you,
in the
you don't
beginning?
have you don't have to do the tutorial.
Oh, oh, awesome.
It's just a review, but basically everything we've done in class has covered that. The notes have covered that. So if you paid attention, you shouldn't have to do it.
Right. Thank you. And
Yeah,
we submit a picture of the of
that's
where
yeah.
we've completed.
When you finished it, that's the easiest.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so no Angelica yet? No Cole yet? No Alex yet? Is that right? No Omar? No Trinity yet? No CJ yet? All right, we'll get started. We don't want you to have to wait. So you guys are ready. We'll get you done and get you on your way. So happy Wednesday to you. Don't forget there is no school on Friday, so you've got a 4-day weekend. Yesterday we reviewed for your unit test. And so today I'll show you how you can access that. The Kahoot that we did yesterday had 25 questions on there. All 25 are on your 40 question unit 1 test, your test number 1. So you would probably want to look at that and go over that. So I'll show you how to access that. I'll show you how to sign into your test when you're ready to take it. And that will be due on Tuesday, not Monday. So you should be able to finish it in your class time today, and then you won't have anything to do over the holiday weekend, which hopefully will be good. So if you've got a tab available, go ahead and get to module 5 here in Canvas, and we'll get you rolling. Okay, so yesterday we reviewed everything, right? Basically from the very beginning in terms of decision making, choices, wants versus needs, what have you. If you're on a non-tablet-like device, if you click this review game, those questions will become up and available to you. You can see 18 people played it last period, all right, and reviewed those questions. I said all 25 of those questions will make up the 40 that you have. Now, if you are on an iPad, tablet-like device, or a phone, you'll probably have to download the app, and then you can use that game pen, and it'll take you to that, and that's available the whole time. You can take notes on that review game, write down the answers. Anything that you want to use is fine with me. This is a video review of Unit 1, so if you want to watch a 12-minute clip, I think it's like 12 minutes, you're welcome to do that as well. And then when you're ready, your test is going to be online. So when you are ready, your test is through a district platform called School City. Your School City login is your 6-digit student number and your network password, the same network password that you use to get onto your school tablet. So here I've gone step by step. There's a box here that you're going to click on. This is the same thing that you're going to see. You're going to click on the tab to open the test, use your 6-digit ID number as the username, your tablet password as the password in School City. You'll click on a blue box labeled Take Assessments. There should be an exam in there that says 2020 Economics Unit Number 1, Spring 2021, and then you're going to be set and go. if you, right, exit out of a tab, open a tab, minimize a tab, anything, it's going to lock you out. And I've put that up there twice. So when you are ready, as I said, what you'll do is you'll click on this exam window, and it'll take you right to the exam and be ready to go, right? So on the left-hand side will be the questions, right-hand side will be the answers, right? So question 1, all goods and services we produce are scarce. We know that. So here you would just put B, right? You want to make sure that when you're done, you hit save before you exit out, and it will submit there. So for the most part, I had already logged in because I wanted to check and make sure I had trouble this morning with periods 1 and 2. They had not populated you guys from the spring yet. Most likely when you click on, let me reset this. So when you click on this tab right here, more than likely what you're going to get is this. This, as I said, is where you're going to put in your 6-digit number. Hold on just a second. Let me get the password again. That way I can show you exactly what it'll look like. All right, can you see the screen okay? All right, so username is your 6-digit password, or 6-digit ID number, sorry. Your password is your tablet password, and then you'll click sign in. And this is what you'll get, right? This is what you'll get after you click this. So let me make sure I've got her ID number right. All right, so once you're logged in, that's the blue box I'm talking about. So the blue box right there, if you click on that, in there is going to be the exam that's listed. And it's the same thing, 2020 economics unit number 1, spring 2021, right? 2020, 2021 year, test number 1 for spring in the middle. When you click on that, it'll bring up the same thing that I just showed you. Right? You're going to have all of the questions here. And then you'll just put the answer there, right? We all know, right? Everything is scarce. Doesn't matter what it is, it's all scarce. So all the goods and services we produce are scarce. So you would put B there. So I said, when you get down to the end, it's going to ask you to save, submit your results, and you're going to click yes. All right? You're going to click yes on that. Anybody have any questions for me on that? All right, so that is the only thing that you need to do if you've already turned in the rest of your work. So don't forget you had the factors of production and, right, the market economies that started showing up in Aries on Monday. This won't show up until next Tuesday. And don't pay any attention to there being 2 of those there. All right, it's just because of the problems we had earlier. So you would want to use the rest of this period to use for either the review game, if you want to go over that a few more times, the Kahoot review, all right, because 25 of those 40 questions are in this game review. If you are ready and you want to, you can go ahead and take the exam. The exam, as I said, once you open that, be ready to finish it. Don't minimize a tab. Don't open another tab. Don't click out of it. It'll lock you out. You'll be screwed. So other than that, if you have any questions or need any help, you can stay on. But I wanted to give you time here this period to finish that, so you have 4 days off without anything from me at least, right? So if you need help, reach out. If you want to stay, I can help you if you'd like. Other than that, you guys have a good 4-day weekend. We'll see you next Tuesday at 12:20.